Welcome to this quiet country setting in Tellico Plains at 113 Sinkhole Road. With cleared acreage of gently rolling pasture, it's perfect for farming or building sites, all complete with a gorgeous mountain view. There are so many possibilities here. Take a look. Here is a modest ranch home built in 1984. It can be renovated and brought up to date. In addition, there's an equipment shed, a barn, a detached two-stall garage, and carport. There was once a mobile home off Sinkhole Road on the property, and it's an opportunity for another build site that's ready for you. In fact, you can develop this property by subdividing. The potential return can be significant. 113 Sinkhole Road is located off Highway 68, and it's just minutes from downtown Tellico Plains. The Tellico River, known for world-class trout fishing, and the Cherokee National Forest. Invest in this highly desirable property, and you can also enjoy activities like hiking, whitewater rafting, or kayaking on the Hiwassee and Oba. You're invited to tour 113 Sinkhole Road in Tellico Plains today. Call Corinna Ash of Tellico Mountain Realty direct at 423-261-5480.